boat. I know it's been a little minute since I did one of these, but here we are. We back on the charts. I'm gonna do some chart analysis for you guys. So shout out to everybody. Before I begin, do remember that I put a post up on YouTube. It's in the community tab. It's asking for input on the giveaway. I don't know if a raffle's good, if what systems y'all want. Any input would be appreciated. If I don't get any input within 24 hours, I'm gonna just cancel it altogether. And it's not because I don't want to do it, it's just because it's like a lack of interest. It seemed like there's like very lack of interest in me doing anything to try and give away anything. So if that's the case, then I'll just discontinue it. And we'll hear no more of it. But anyway, okay, so that's that. And for those of y'all that's not in the Discord that watch this video, try to get in the Discord. I added new channels. I added the fundamental channel where we go over the news. So pretty much instead of going to a third-party app, you could just go to the news channel, and whatever high impact news is going to affect the currencies for the week, they're going to be posted there. So every day's impact news for the next 5 days will be in there. We do have the regular news where it's just talking about economic news. And then I have the wisdom channel where, I post stories about wisdom, little stuff just to spark the mind, because a lot of people don't talk about reading, and, psychology and reading helps a lot with trading. I became very good at trading based off having like a good psychology from reading a lot of psychological books. But I'll make a separate video about those books later, because they do help a lot with just, having your mind right for this. So right now, we're going over this NAS trade. Oh, and by the way, as you can see, I do have on the shirts. You can't fake trades. This is available at the link in the description. Whatever. Okay, so we're looking at NAS on a 1 hour chart, and I created a level earlier. As you can see, that level has still not been tested. So pretty much what we could look at from NAS on a 1 hour chart, this 200 right here is holding as a resistance, or should I say support, for the price, and price is bouncing off of this 200 and going up. So pretty much, if you look at the overall sentiment, NAS would be in an uptrend just based off of the 200 that it bounced off of it. But if you can see it staying in this little area right here. But if I had to guess on what NAS would be doing, I would be looking for NAS to go to this area that I created, this little red blocks up at the top. So I'm waiting for NAS to test this area, which is definitely going to go up there. We just have to see when it's going to go up there, if it's going to pull back and go up there. But based off the fact that it bounced off the 200 like it did, and it's been buying ever since, I'm assuming NAS is going to test this area.
We have a possible change to bearish momentum. Look for a move to the downside on dollar-yen 1 minute chart.
Okay, so boom. That's for the scalpers. Dollar-yen 1 minute chart. Anyway, so yeah, NAS is looking like it's going to reach this level, and just to be, just to do a little bit more of a thorough check, I would say, what's the price we looking at NAS? NAS is looking to reject at this level. I'm pretty sure it's looking to reject. It's looking to reject at 131.78.81. So if that was me, I would be taking a sell limit. I would be taking my sell limit at 131.77.08. And I will put my stop loss at, and this is a big stop loss for indices, so be careful with what I'm about to tell you. If you don't have the account for it, you're not funded, do not do this at all. And still is a risk if you take this trade, because if it's going this high, we would have to go to a higher time frame to see if it's going to pass it. I'm going to check before I finalize this thought. I will put my stop loss, if I put the sell limit at that current price, my stop loss would be at 13 to 31.26. And why did I say that? Because that's the highest point where price was at in the last couple of days. Okay, so now I'm gonna, let me get that off the chart. Now I'm gonna look at a higher time frame just to see if it passed this point, because I believe it did. I just need to confirm. So let's go to the daily, and yeah, see, you could see over here that it did it again. So yeah, so I think it's safe to say that NAS, this is my play on NAS right here, guys. I'm gonna tell you what my play on NAS is. My play on NAS would be to take a buy if it crosses this point. And it's definitely going up there. So I'll be looking for an entry on a buy. So pretty much, you got a couple places where you can get in for a buy. I'm gonna show you the number one place where you could actually get in for a buy. If you want to take a buy on NAS, this is the area right here. This is the little area we gotta worry about. Okay. This is a resistance area for the 1 hour. Now we go to another time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. You see, you still kind of see it though. So that's an area. That's an area of concern. So if I would use that area I just created on a 1 hour. If you go to your 1 hour chart on NAS and you see these two candles made this little body right here, I will look for my buy once price crosses this area. If it crosses the top of this area right here, I would take a buy, because it's going to probably keep going. So let's see the price right there. The top of the wick is it's 131.50.17. So that's where I will put a buy. And at the very least, if I took that buy, I would take that buy and I would take my TP2. TP1 would be 131.78.08. So that would be my play on NAS, y'all. That would be how I'm looking at it. Am I in a NAS trade on my own account? Let me see. I'm on the wrong MT4. Hold on. Let me just check mine. Okay, so I was in the sell prior to that. I did close that sell though. I didn't like the way the sell was looking, and obviously it was good because it looked like it was trying to sell and now it's trying to pull back. So, yeah. Yep. So there's a little demand zone too at the top of those wicks that I told y'all about, where I got this red box. This is a demand zone. So price is definitely going here, guys. So just keep out for that. See where I put this? Yeah, price is going there. Yeah, price is definitely gonna go there. I can see it now. From looking at both charts, I can see it clearer. Alright, so that's that. That's NAS. What else should we be looking at? That's NAS. I guess we could do US 30.
We have a possible change to bullish momentum. Look for a move to the upside on Euro dollar 5-minute chart.
Okay. So even my sell went bad on me. Let me see. I gotta close this now because I don't like the way it looked. Yep, it created a new high, and now it's reversing. So I'm gonna close this because I don't want to. This is a downtrending pattern though. This is downtrending, so I'm wondering why it's doing this at this time. See, this is the decision I have to make. Okay, I'm gonna stay in this trade. I'm gonna move my stop loss though a little lower so I don't risk too much on it. I'm gonna stay in this trade. I have my reasons. If it breaks that high, then I know I'm in trouble, because this is definitely a downtrending pattern. Okay, so same thing as NAS. Price is looking to go to this next point right up here. Price is looking to go to 341.92.64, and it's definitely looking to do that sometime soon. Right here is the high for the day for last week, and it hasn't retested, so it's definitely looking to do that, and it's currently in an uptrend, and it did a couple of pullbacks. So yeah, this trade I'm in is not looking too great, honestly. I actually think I'm gonna lose this trade, because if price does what I think it's gonna do, price is gonna go up. And it's okay though, because I won a couple of trades already today. I won quite a few, so I would have preferred to not have so many positions right now. I got 3 positions here that don't look good, but we'll see what happens. But on US 30, as of right now, I would be looking to honestly, I'll be looking to see if US 30 tests that little high of the day that it made from Friday. it's looking to go up there. It's definitely looking to go up there. But we're over this 200, so that's just telling you overall this is a uptrend. So I'll be looking for buys on US 30, and I'm concerned about the trade I'm in because it's definitely not looking all the way healthy like it should. And let's do a little gold because gold is in a bad spot. I didn't even touch gold today. I don't believe I touched gold. The robot might have got me in on a gold trade, but I didn't touch gold. And I got the robot set up so that if it takes a gold trade, it's going to take a good one. So I don't think I took a good gold trade because gold is around 2,000, right? If I'm not mistaken. So let's check it out. Yep, so gold is dropping. Okay, so it's kind of easy to see what gold did. It's kind of easy to see what gold did. Just give me a second, guys. I'm setting up my screen. I'm setting up my screen to see gold a little better. I have no clue where I put it either. Where did I put gold? Okay, it's right here. Okay, good. I didn't touch gold today. Good. Because the last trade that I took in gold was a buy, and it definitely sold on me badly right over here, as you can see. Friday gold sold crazy, so hopefully y'all got some of that. And like I told y'all, when gold hits 2,000, a lot of people like to sell off their gold that were holding it from 16 to 17. That's the area where they love to get out. You know, they keep a certain amount and they sell a certain amount. That is a sell-off area for people who invest in gold. So 2,000 is always a little risky. So right now with gold, it's looking like a buy up until that level that I'm looking at. And I'm thinking gold is going to probably go
We have
down.
a possible change to bullish momentum. Look for a move to the upside on pound Aussie 1 minute chart.
I'm thinking gold is going to continue down just because it's under the 200. And this level of support is now acting as a resistance. So what I'm thinking is gold is going to actually bounce off of this level and go down. And I told you guys gold was going back down, so nobody should be surprised at this. I told y'all gold is going to go back down into the 19. It's probably going to go back down to 1950 or 18 based off the news we get this week. So we're going to see, because Friday looks like a real dangerous day to watch gold, okay? So pretty much I don't have a play for gold. I'm looking at gold to touch this level right here and then bounce off of it and sell. So I'm looking for sells on gold, and I know a lot of people don't want to hear that. But the fact that these moving averages cross like this, it's under the 200, and then this level now, this was a support level, and now it's clearly a resistance level. Those three confluences is telling me gold is going to bounce off that level and sell. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this and watch it. And then I'm probably going to have to come back tomorrow and give you another analysis on this after it reaches that area, because gold has done its average daily range, meaning it hit its amount of pips that it's expected to give for the day. So we have to look for a reset in the market after 5 to find out what gold is really going to want to do, and it's more than likely probably going to do it around Asian session. So gold right now, like I said, this is what I would be looking at on gold. I'm expecting gold to go to this level right here, 1998, 79. And then I'm expecting it to reject and sell off that area. And if it does sell off that area, I'm going to give you my predicted price. This is just a prediction. That's the next predicted price right there. You see it? I'm expecting it to go right here, guys.
We have a possible change to bearish momentum. Look for a move to the downside on silver 1 minute chart.
Downside, see? Silver just gave a sell signal on the 1 minute chart in silver and go correlate. So that just confirmed what I'm about to tell y'all now. The robot just literally told me that stuff is selling now on the metals. So pretty much that confirmed what I'm about to tell you. Gold is probably going to reject at 1998 and go down until 1972. So pretty much that's the play that I'm looking at for gold. And my broker just reset right there. Okay, we'll see. They did it a little early. But that's the play. So silver just pretty much gave the call that I think gold is going to follow, because when they correlate, but they go behind one another, but they still end up going the same direction. So that's that. So that's my play on US 30 NAS and gold. I'm not gonna make this too long because I'm just now getting in the swing of doing this again. I had a couple of rough days where I was taking care of some stuff and people had some problems and I was helping some people out. So I had a little bit of a rough couple of days and I've been a little tired. So, but I'm here. So if y'all want me, I already know where I'm at. I'm in the Discord. Like I said, input would be helpful at this point because I don't really know what y'all guys want. I mean, as far as my trading is concerned, I'm doing all right. I'm just trying to get a couple more funded accounts in the bag for myself so I could get my capital up. And that's pretty much what I'm doing. So I'm going to try to focus on helping other people with these signals and stuff as far as like the prop firm challenges and things of that nature. Outside of that, that's it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. For people who subscribe to the mentorship on the YouTube channel, I'm gonna start doing private videos on certain pairs. And if people got pairs that they want me to give some like trade plays out on, free or for the mentorship, let me know. Either way. All right. So input is needed, guys. If I don't get any input, I'm gonna just keep posting myself winning my own trades. I'm not trying to make it seem cocky like that, but if I don't know what you guys want, I don't know how to help y'all. So hit me up. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Enjoy. And don't forget the t-shirts is there. You know, you can't fake trades, right? All right. Peace.